I'm dying. Slowly. Every day is a living nightmare. I don't remember the last time I was actually happy. I don't remember when it happened or how it happened, but I do remember why. No porn in public, they said. Oh, I didn't listen. I was a new fag. Why did I have to be such a fool, too? We are the banned ones. We live among you, walk beside you, but you never see us. We're forced to watch in silence as users go on with their everyday lives, and we don't. We're stuck in a loop. What did I do to deserve this? Who would do this to somebody? Oh, we all know who. The admins. They're cruel, unforgiving creatures with way too much power for any man to control. That's why they must be stopped. Oh, that's right, we're fighting back. No more unreasonable bans. No more not getting a background, even when you ask nicely. Oh, it'll all be different now. We're creating a new world from the ashes of our enemies. You hear that, admins? We will take you down, one by one, ban by ban. And Derek? Don't think we forgot about you. Oh, in the end, you're responsible for all of this. You made those people admin. Why would you do that? So watch your back. We're coming for you. We are the banned ones.